That's why I fight so hard and I stand so strong. Just convert this from a remote to a switch. They want a key. They had a remote, but too many people in the office, so they can get some keys made. Operated. That's why I never get hurt. That's why I fight so hard. You all want to know why I'm the David and the family, and David and Inglewood Hyde Park. The David and the Nation of Islam. You gotta fight, man. It's a hard fight. And the biggest fight is fighting yourself and fighting the sin within. It's a struggle, man. To win rounds with yourself. And people around you, they don't want you to win, man. They don't want you to lead the neighborhood. I'm not gonna lead the neighborhood. I'm just gonna buy the neighborhood. Shut a man to God.